So this video will show you some examples. The diameter of a circle is 20 feet. Find the radius. So we've got radius equals 1/2 the diameter. So that's 1/2 of 20 equals 10 feet. Radius of a circle is 7 meters. Find the diameter. So diameter is twice the radius. So diameter is 2 times 7, which gives you 14 meters. Down here, circumference of the circle is find the circumference of the flying disc. Use 3.14 for pi. So we're using 3.14 for pi because 5 is not divisible by 7. Hold on a moment. Brian? So the formula for circumference with radius is 2 pi r. So we go 2 times 3.14 times 5. And when we put that in our calculator, we get 31.4 inches. For the find the circumference of the watch face, use 22/7 for pi. Well, this time we're given the diameter, so that's C equals pi d. And then we're told that the diameter is 28. So that is divisible by 7. So we'll go 22 divided by 7 times 28. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. So we've got 22 times 4, which is 88 millimeters. Find the perimeter of a semicircular region. A semicircle is 1/2 a circle. Find the perimeter of the semicircular region. The way that we're going to do that is 1/2 the circumference plus the diameter. Could you guys please close my door? Thanks. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the circumference. So circumference, we're given the diameter. So that's pi times diameter. So that's 3.14 times 6. We use 3.14 because 6 is not divisible by 7. So 3.14 times 6 is 18.84. Now in this case, we already know the circumference, so we go 1/2 the circumference. And now we also already know the diameter. So plus the diameter, so we've got 1/2 18.84 plus 6. Throwing that into the calculator, we get 15.42 meters. This next one, we're given the radius. So the diameter is twice the radius, which means that diameter is twice 15, which is 30. So I'm going to find the circumference. Circumference is pi d. So I'll use 3.14 because 15 is not divisible by, well, because 30 is not divisible by 7. So 3.14 times 30 gives me 94.2. And then to finish the problem, we want 1/2 the circumference plus the diameter, which is 1/2 94.2 plus 30. Half of 92 plus 30, 94.2 plus 30 is 77.1. And that's inches. Last problem. The circumference of the roll of caution tape decreases 10.5 inches after a firefighter uses some of the tape. What's the radius of the roll after the firefighter uses the tape? So the first thing we need to do is we need to find a new circumference. The second thing we'll need to do is find the radius. So to find the new circumference, we just subtract circumferences. 31.4 minus 10.5. That gives us 20.9 inches. To find the radius, we're going to, given the circumference, we're going to use our formula. Circumference equals 2 pi r. So circumference is 20.9 equals 2 times 3.14 times the radius. First thing to do is to multiply the 2 and the 3.14. So that gives us 20.9 equals 6.28. The way that we undo multiplication is by division. So we divide both sides by 62.8. So that means that our radius is about 3.3 inches. So these are examples of what kind of problems we'll do for our practicing finding circumference.